Hello kids! Welcome to Easy Kids Art. Today we are drawing a cute owl. Let's start with the eyes. Draw 2 big round eyes. Then add a small beak in the middle and a sweet smile. Next, draw the round head and add the little ears on top. Now continue with the chubby body. Add the wings on the sides and small feet at the bottom. Don't forget to draw a tree branch and some leaves for the owl to sit on. Good job! Now it's time to color. Color the body with brown. Color the beak and feet with yellow or orange. Use light cream for the face and belly. Add darker brown for shading to make it look more lively. You can also color the leaves green and the branch brown. And done. Your cute owl is ready. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you in the next drawing.